Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. And before starting the recipe, I just want to remind you do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I am uploading the new videos. And today I am going to show you how to prepare Kalan recipe. This is an Onam special recipe. For that, I have taken a 2 plantain and a yam or cheana, one medium size. Peel and cut the plantain and yam into medium pieces, and then we will wash thoroughly. And then we will soak this in salt or water for at least 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes of soaking, we will strain and add this to the clay pot. We will add 2 cups of water and then half teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and then I'll mix it nicely. Now I will switch on the gas stove and cook this vegetable till they are 80 to 90% done. And we are not overcooking this, otherwise you will not get the exact texture of Kurukku Kalan. Okay. As you can see, our vegetables are cooked as we need it for this curry. Now to this I will be adding 2 cups of curd, and this curd I have whisked once and I have not added any water to this. Okay, now I'll mix the curry with curd and nicely, and then as you know I have not added any salt. At this moment I will be adding salt according to the taste, and we need to keep mixing till the mixture start boiling. Then allow this curry to thicken, and this procedure we are doing on medium flame. Okay. As you can see, our curry is boiling. In between, I will make a fine paste of coconut, cumin seed and green chili. All the quantity I will be giving in the description box. You can check from there. And now I'll add a little water and I'll make a fine paste out of it. As you can see, our paste is ready. When the curd becomes thick, I will add this fine coconut mix to this and mix well. At this moment, you can check again for the salt. If salt is less, you can add to the curry because we have added curd, so maybe the salt can be less. We will keep this curry for boiling at least for 2 minutes. At this moment, I will be adding a pinch of fenugreek powder and mix well. For the tadka, I have taken a tadka pan. To that, I have added coconut oil and then mustard seed. As mustard seeds have started spluttering to that, now I will be adding some dried red chilies and fresh curry leaves. And our tadka is ready to pour on top of the curry. Now I'll mix it, and our tasty Kurukku Kalan is ready to serve. It tastes exactly same as we have in Sadhya. You have to trust me on this. So keep watching my channel. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and please share with your friends and family. I will be meeting you with another recipe. Till then, bye and love you all.